As a community, we have to do more to instill positive values in our young men and women. We're losing too many, not to social media apps, but to a lack of self-respect, morals, and values. Let us be the change we would like to see and hold ourselves and ones around us to higher standards. There are too many senseless killings happening on this island. R.I.P. to Naya Gang, 41 Bossed, Barbara Gale, and those who passed violently since the start of this year. From the team of the Bartender.
Yo, make sure you behave yourself.
You have good people around here, you know what you do here.
People losing 3 points with less than that here. So you have to know what you have to do.
Take a big man to say, sorry.
Go on, Andrew. I think we need to go down at the bar. Just forget to sense our energy. I'll buy something too.
When you ready? Today or tomorrow?
No.
Alright. So what about numbers?
I'm going to link him on the way.
I tell you, it's a lie. I don't know how the spirit make you forward yourself to them. Because when they want to talk to you, but we never want to do it over the phone. And don't get it twisted, you know. And now take it like say, you know, you invest a pretty penny in the farm. But I don't think it's safe no more. Too wide open.
So I go on, brother. I remember saying, between the two places, then, I just had a new program. And I want to tell you too, big man, I definitely don't start making plans already. You know, to deal with a new investment, something different start, because sometimes you have to just, it's when we see the signs, try and go against them, you know?
Yeah.
I decided to do the right thing, man. And I pull back right now and tell you that Omega pre some things and I might invest with her too, you know.
That is it.
Yeah, man. She wants to set up a little home shop thing, you know. Because the people in our community kind of rate her because she was some catering group on the side or something. I'm pretty certain I might have to
balance out on that.
Well,
you know.
Hold on together. 2 minutes, yeah?
Alright. Everything alright?
Check on it and Bubbles. What am I doing now? Yeah, man. Yeah. But they were on a rally, you know. I want juice bar. Miracle. Everything alright? I can send you the location now. Yeah, man, we can talk. Alright. $52 machine, brother. Me, I wonder where how that passed through.
What do you mean? Luca, bright, bro.
But Kingman, I know this alone, you know. I don't have beer here, so them.
So yeah.
I don't have beer here, so the man them find some machine to.
So wait, when you now say 52, 5 and 2 machine they find 52.
Yeah, man.
So
Plus parts.
But wait now, remember you know, one machine turn 15 to 20 man in a shatter road, you know.
So just
So 52
do the
now.
maths. Multiply that by 52.
No, I'm much. They want to come much of the country.
So, right here now, a weapon in Jamaica easier to get than a roast bread fruit.
Me see you pray.
Remember say you can only get breadfruit on a breadfruit seasoning.
Yes, what I
That
mean.
me I tell you.
That's what I mean. So, how we reach that place, bro?
Really tough.
Destroy them and destroy you.
Of course, because guess what? It makes sense for somebody to make these things available. Remember them things of getting them here not cheap, you know?
True.
A whole heap of PR, you know?
Them not make you. I remember say you can't be a small time after that come true.
No, none of them youth the way you say, I'm going to hold one of them to have the capacity and the wherewithal to make it reach it.
Make it reach you. Really tough.
So
it comes from bigger heads.
Of course,
That's
make it available to us. Like them do the same thing in other countries, you know, in the black communities in the US, you know. At every corner, you have two things prominent.
Yeah.
The liquor store and the gun shop.
Brother.
And the drugs man out there on the corner.
For real.
So let's get high, get drunk, and let's kill one another.
Judge the man them I pray. Well, me I pray for the youth them wise up doing brother.
Why would I think? You know, so when we was a youth, yeah, we was wayward, but you know what was our man job?
Yeah.
Make money. It was all about the paper. Yeah, things happen, unfortunately, but it was more about the paper. No, it's about the dopey, making the dopey. You never want to know why the dopey, man.
In a them time, king where you can live for them PUBG and them free fire, you feel like say them one of them really and then
That is, hey, that's one of the arguments them when I try to show us. Enough of them don't want to have the argument there. Because remember, say the uptown people, them buy them things for them youth, you know. Them buy them games for them youth, and now no say it can mash up them meds too, you know, can give them a free.
when last you see a youth a play man, when last you see a youth make a slim shot where you say well look too girl.
I'm scratch
Well, based on this, it's over there.
What the place name? Magic Juice?
Yeah.
See it over here, son.
But
And you know where that goes, psychologically, it desensitizes a young mind to violence and blood.
Some of them youth don't even find your car.